Hello guys! Tayo ay gagawa ng salad. Green salad. Meron tayong cucumber, egg, lemon, mustard, and virgin oil, olive, yes, and baby tomato. Also, I don't remember because we call her is like a Gorantia. And olive. Okay. So we start with mixing the salad now. Alright, let's go. Green salad. We choose lettuce with the Italian salad, like I don't know. So first I put the cucumber, agori calling bread. So cucumber is second. Tomato, baby tomato, baby tomato. Yes. Then olive. Right. Then pickles. Pickles. Lemon sauce, lemon, mustard, and olive oil. It's ready mixed. Yes. Then egg. Okay, it's a perfect my dinner now. So see, yeah, very nice, nice color. So we need to fix. Okay. I love this book. I love it. So thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's have a good dinner today. December 5. Tayo ay magluluto ng giniling. Ayan po. Meron tayong onion, parsley, zucchini, labasa puti, tomato, and what is this? Celery. Meron tayong garlic, onion, carrot, and the bread for this recipe. Okay? So, samahan niyo ako sa pagluluto para sa aking lunch. This is for my lunch today. So next, onion and garlic together. Okay. After the meat, lutuin natin hanggang mag-brown to. Okay? And pour ang ating lunch for today. Sa Tagalog, giniling. Pero na ibang giniling. Walang, sa Pilipinas, pag nagluto ng giniling, may mga hotdog pa. Lalo pag sa spaghetti. Ito, simple. So, nantayin natin mag-brown yan. Okay? So, next, carrots. Yan. Then, pepper. Black pepper. Red pepper. So, mamaya serve natin ng iba. After, celery. Then, tomato. Kamatis. After celery, kamatis. Okay. Wow, napaka-colorful na po ang ating palaman sa tinapay. Tinapay na po palaman. Lagay natin ang nor. Kasi dito hindi uso ang soy sauce or another sauce sa Europe. Kasi sabi maganda. Una ang mga ganyan, pag may sakit ka sa ihi or sa liver, bawal na. Isang galagay rin ito. Yan, mix kalabasa puti yung zucchini. Okay. Ayan po. Gawin natin. Wow. Na, isa ng colorful. So, maglalagay tayo ng siling anghang. Ayan. Para masarap. Iba kasi nilagay pa ito matuyo, ano pang sauce, pero hindi maganda yun, walang lasa ng tapos mix green onion, fresh onion. Kung sa Pilipinas, onion Tagalog. This is fresh onion. Wow. Beautiful. Okay, ito nang ating gagawin. Tinapay, nga iniwa. Tapos ngayon, ibuhos natin yung niluto natin. Yan, wow, yummy. Yan po. Tapos lagyan natin ng mustard. Then, mayonnaise, Caesar. Okay, wow. Then, ayan po. Nice. Ayan po. Wow. Yummy. The big bread. Yes. That's my lunch today. Okay, thank you for watching and like and subscribe Randy Vlog. Thank you. Shout out lahat sa mga subscriber ko dyan. Yung mga tahimik o nanonood lang, okay? Shout out sa inyo and thank you all. Happy New Year.